What is going on, people? Welcome to day 4 of Fearless, and it is also your rest day, so this is a chance to bring on protein and really just take your cooking skills to another level, because what else is there to do? As you've seen already, we're making protein pancakes today. I'm using vegan protein powder. I'm also using almond milk instead, and I'm using coconut oil instead of regular oil, so if you want to substitute along the way, feel free to do that. Okay, so as we have here, we're going to start with our dry ingredients. So that is starting with 120 grams of plain flour. Then we're going to add the protein powder, followed by a dash of salt. Okay, just over a dash of salt, and just over a teaspoon of baking powder. Nice and simple. And now that's done, all we're going to do is whisk together the dry ingredients. Make sure they're properly incorporated, and it doesn't matter how long this takes. You're going to notice this is the advantage when our milk doesn't start to clump together. Good. Everything looks good. So now that we're here, we're going to add our almond milk, slowly pouring it all in. Set that to the side, and we are going to start to whisk. So on the side I actually have a glass of water, so if the liquid is too kind of thick, feel free just to keep adding water until it gets to the consistency that you want to achieve, but this is looking pretty fine. Like, come on, like, who didn't make pancakes when they were younger? Everyone's got that experience. The only difference is mine's got protein in. Okay, keep going, you don't see any lumps in there. Cool, and like I said, I'm going to just add a bit of that water just to make the texture a bit more liquidy. Got that game face on. Going. Go! Cool. Perfect. See that? Absolutely no lumps, and that is what we love to see. So I'm going to put that to the side while I heat up my frying pan. I almost just burnt off my eyebrows. It's good though. Okay, so medium heat. We're going to put some oil on. Just a tiny bit. Wait for that to heat up. Always in a rush, so constantly moving. Okay. We can give our batter one more whisk, and then we're just going to pour our mixture in. 1, 2. I am a big fan of small pancakes. I think they look so much better when you're serving them, and it's just quicker, it's easier, it's nice, no stress. Cool, where is my flipper? So you're going to want to look at them, and you're pretty much going to wait until all the bubbles start to come through the pancakes. They're not going to burn, so it's just kind of bear with it. My problem is impatience. I like to get to doing things quickly. There we are. Smells coming out, that chocolate aroma. Loving this. No, not worth it yet. Ooh. Moment of truth. Oh, come on, that's perfect. Bit of stress on the last one. think I've got there. And my heat is a bit high at the moment, so I'm just going to turn that all the way down. Some people like them doughy inside. I'm a fan of having them more cooked through, but again, you're pretty much going for preference. And I've got a plate to my side, which I'm just going to stack up onto. Again, it's all about feel, really. One more flip. Absolutely loving that, and we are going to start to plate top. Next batch. Bit bigger. Perfect. Okay, the odd shape is new, but we'll get there. Going. In the meantime, I also have some berries on the side, which I have which I'm about to heat up. So whip them in. If they're frozen, just stick them on the defrost button, and then if you've already defrosted them and just want them heating up, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Don't forget about the pancakes. These look great and they smell amazing. Fruit out. And we are going to flip. Woo! Not a perfect pancake, but still servable, and heat down. I think we came out with that relatively unscathed. Okay, so just because it's an Instagram video and a YouTube video, we kind of want to just make a small stack for you, and I don't want to waste your time. So these are almost done. Going to plate those up. Amazing. Remove that. And slowly do that. So we've got our beautiful pancakes here. We're going to drizzle our berries onto them. Then, what are pancakes without a big dollop of peanut butter? Oh, stop it. And finally, some agave syrup. Oh, come on.